Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. In most cities, parking is a chore, but on Ocean Drive it is a choreographed performance. Welcome to the high-staked, fast-paced world of Miami Beach valet parking. Because Ocean Drive is a narrow historic thoroughfare with almost zero public street parking, the valet stands in front of the Art Deco hotels have become the gatekeepers of the strip. This isn't just about moving cars, it's an essential part of South Beach spectacle and a vital logistical engine that keeps the city moving. As you walk down the drive, you'll notice the rows of orange cones and the sleek valet podiums that stand like outposts in front of every major hotel and restaurant. The valet drivers here are amongst the most skilled in the world, navigating multi-million-dollar supercars through tight crowds and narrow alleys with incredible precision. On any given afternoon, the valet line looks more like the International Auto Show than a parking zone. It's not uncommon to see a custom-painted Lamborghini parked right next to a vintage convertible or a high-end luxury SUV. The front row parking spot is the ultimate status symbol of Ocean Drive. The most prestigious cars are often left right in front of the hotel entrance, not because there isn't room in the garage, but because they add an aesthetic and vibe of the establishment. It's a symbiotic relationship. The car owners get to showcase their rides, and the hotel gets to project an image of luxury and exclusivity to the thousands of pedestrians walking past. However, behind the scenes, this is a massive operation. Most of these cars aren't kept on site. They're whisked away to massive underground or multi-story garages blocks away, only to be summoned back in a matter of minutes when the owner is ready to leave. The coordination required, especially during peak hours or major events like Art Deco, is nothing short of heroic. For Baz Travels, the valet culture is a window into the priorities of Miami Beach. It's about convenience? Yes, but it's mostly about presentation. It reflects a city that values the grand entrance and the perfect first impression. The sound of high-performance engines revving and the sight of valets in their signature uniforms sprinting to greet arriving guests is as much a part of the Ocean Drive soundtrack as the crashing waves or the lack of music. It's the art of the arrival, perfected under the Florida sun.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.